Hello friends, again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the third type of the ecological pyramid, that is the pyramid of biomass. In the previous lecture we are already discussed about the two different types of the ecological pyramid, that is the pyramid of energy and the pyramid of number. So today we are going to discuss about the pyramid of biomass. Now, similar to that of the pyramid of number and the pyramid of energy, this pyramid of biomass, it is also a graphical representation of biomass present within a unit of territory of different trophic level. Means in case of pyramid of number, we are considering the number of organisms present at each trophic level. In the case of the pyramid of energy, we are discussing about how much amount of the energy it is present at each trophic level. And here in case of pyramid of biomass, instead of considering energy or the number of organism, here we are concentrate on the biomass present at each trophic level. In addition, it displays the linking among the biomass and the trophic level, estimating the biomass available in each trophic level or the each trophic degree of an energy network at given time. We know that there is the interconnection between the energy and the biomass. Means whenever there is the synthesis of energy through which by utilizing this energy there is the production of the biomass. Now, majorly there are the two primary kinds of the biomass pyramid, that is the altered pyramid of biomass and the upstanding, that is the inverted type of pyramid and the upward type of the pyramid. Now, before understanding about the pyramid of biomass, here it is important to understand what is meant by actually this biomass. So, specifically this biomass, it is refers to the total mass of all living or organic matter. Here means the living organisms or the total organic matter which is present in an ecosystem at particular time in the ecological term. Means at the within the ecosystem how much amount of the organic matter or the living things that are present, it is considered to be the biomass. Now this biomass, it can be divided into the two specific categories, that is the species biomass and the second one it is the community biomass. Now, the entire mass of the species in an ecosystem, it is referred to as the species biomass. Means it is related to the specific type of the species. Means organisms of the same species. How much the biomass of all of these species. Then it is considered to be the species biomass. Means here we are calculating the biomass of only the restricted species. It is considered to be the species biomass. The second one, it is the community biomass. So within that we are concentrate on the entire mass of all species present within that ecosystem. Means instead of considering the single species, here we are concentrate on the entire mass of all of the different types of the species which are present within that ecosystem. These are called as the community biomass. When it comes to the biomass measurement, the species might range from humans to the bacteria. In here we are concentrate on the macro to the microorganism. Now the next point, it is the distinctive properties of the pyramid of biomass. What are the properties of this pyramid of biomass? Now, here within this, in the construction of the pyramid of biomass, individuals which are present at each trophic level, these are weighted rather than counted in this method. Means instead of counting the number of organisms like in the case of pyramid of number, here we are calculating the mass of that organisms present at each trophic level. It is results in a biomass pyramid which represent the total dry weight. Means here we are concentrate on the total dry weight of all creatures which are present at each trophic level at a given moment. The dry weight of all species which are present within each trophic level, it is routinely collected and measured for the determination of biomass. As the all trophic levels of the organisms, these are get weighed, the size difference problem it is get solved. The biomass, it is measured in grams per square meter. The measurement it is done in grams per square meter. Now as we are earlier discussed, there are the two different types of pyramid of biomass. First one, it is the upward pyramid of biomass and second one, it is the inverted pyramid of biomass. Now in case of the upward pyramid of biomass, in most it is present or observed within the most of the terrestrial ecosystem, which has the big base of the primary producers. Means the base it is broader one, which are containing the producers, that is the all of the green plants or the autotrophs or the producers, with smaller trophic level mounted on the top. The upper trophic levels, these are having the less biomass. The producer's biomass is at all the time it is higher one, that is the biomass of the all autotrophs, it is higher than the consumers which are present at the upper trophic level. Now the biomass of primary consumers which is present at the next trophic level, it is lower than that of the producer. Again the secondary consumers, these are having the lower biomass, and the tertiary consumers, these are again having the lower biomass. Means there is relatively the little biomass which is present at the top trophic level or the higher trophic level. So such type of the upward pyramid of biomass, it is observed within the grassland ecosystem, which is also a terrestrial ecosystem, within which the grasses, these are present at the first trophic level, that is these are acts as an producers which are having the maximum biomass. Then it is succeeded by the herbivores or the primary consumers at the second trophic level, which are having the less biomass as compared to that of the grasses. At the third trophic level, which is occupied by the snakes, owls or the lizards, which are fall under the category of secondary consumers, and the topmost level it is occupied by the tertiary consumers such as the eagles. So the organisms which are present at the third trophic level and the fourth trophic level, as these are having the less biomass, so majorly this pyramid of biomass, it is narrower at the top and it is broader at the base, that is where there is the presence of the grasses which are the producers. So in a grassland ecosystem, the biomass at the base level it is higher than that of the first level and further decreases in order of following levels. It is calculated by multiplying the number of organisms by the biomass of organisms at a particular trophic level. Here within this diagram we can observe how there is the representation of upward pyramid of biomass in a terrestrial ecosystem or the grassland ecosystem. So here within this, at the base which is having the broader base, at the broader base there is the presence of the producers or the grasses which are having the biomass up to the 1000 kilogram. Then the herbivores, that is the primary consumers, which are depends upon these grasses or are responsible to eat these grasses, these are having the 100 kg of biomass. Then the primary carnivores or the secondary consumers which are feed upon these primary consumers or the herbivores, these are having the 10 kg biomass. And again the top carnivores or the tertiary consumers which are feed upon this primary carnivore or the secondary consumers, these are having only biomass of 1 kg. So majorly within the construction of this pyramid of biomass within the grassland ecosystem or the terrestrial ecosystem, the number of the organ or the amount of the biomass which is present at the upper trophic level, it is lower than which is present at the basal or the first trophic level. Now the second one, it is the inverted pyramid of biomass. Majorly such type of the inverted pyramid of biomass, it is observed in the aquatic habitat or the aquatic ecosystem which are having the inverted shape. This is because the producers within this aquatic ecosystem, that is these are small in number, the phytoplanktons that multiplies and reproduces quickly. In contrast, a pyramid of number for the aquatic ecology, it is vertical. The biomass pyramid has the narrow base within the aquatic ecosystem, with the consumer biomass always exceeding the producer's biomass, and the pyramid takes on the inverted appearance. Means due to the less amount of the biomass of the producers, here this pyramid of biomass in the aquatic ecosystem, it is get inverted. That is, it is having the narrow base and the broader top level. So here we can observe this inverted pyramid in an aquatic ecosystem where the producers, that is the aquatic plants, these are having the lesser biomass, that is the 4 gram per meter per square meter. Then the herbivores, that is the small fishes or the other insects, these are having the larger biomass, and the carnivores, these are having the again larger biomass. So due to which we are means the organisms which are present at the upper tropic level, these are having the greater biomass as compared to the producers which are present at the first tropic level. So due to that, here in case of this we are getting the inverted pyramid of biomass. So it is the all over information about the pyramid of biomass. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share, also subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.